a really cool flexible phone right here with Royal, and it opens up. It's really beautiful. So how big is the screen when it's closed, and how big is it when it's open?
When unfolded, it's around 8 inch of the flexible
8 inch
screen.
Open?
Yeah.
And when it's closed, 6.6?
Around that.
6.6. So similar dimensions to
We have our own mass production line and our own patented technology to mass produce the flexible screen.
And this is flexible OLED?
Yes, it's flexible OLED.
With plastic?
Based on the plastic materials and the flexible OLED technology.
And how do you make sure it doesn't get scratched?
So we have a special cover solutions to protect the screens to anti-scratch.
And it's just a cover, you can replace it easily, or not so easy to replace for the user to replace?
You can replace it.
Like a normal screen protector?
Different ways.
And so what is the CPU here?
So we are using Qualcomm's most recent Snapdragon 855 chipset, flagship chipset.
855 already is inside?
Yes.
So is it coming later?
It's ready.
Now?
Yeah, inside. Yeah.
So it's the fastest ARM processor?
Yeah, fastest and most recent, the best processors in the world now.
And the most important thing also is that you are selling for 1,200 today?
In Europe, it's 1,388.
1388?
Yes.
And then US?
US is 1318.
1318?
Yes, US dollars, yes.
And that's a development kit?
Developer model, yes.
So it's not consumer?
So currently consumer model we are selling in Chinese market, and for the consumer model globally, we'll, for example in Europe, the consumer can expect it pretty soon this year.
How much is a consumer model in China?
It's 8,000.
Get this into mass production.
So actually for a while, because we already start mass production of the flexible screens, we developed these foldable phones, and now we are start shipping the product globally to the consumers since last December.
Again? So when Huawei just had a press conference, right? They talked about the engineering to do this part is very difficult. What do you do there?
So this hinge design is very important for the foldable smartphone of the product. Actually, we have our own hinge designs so that can support this foldable phone to make a very reliable folding.
But the radius is a little bit wider, right?
Yeah, a couple millimeters.
And there's a gap here. But you basically half the price of the Huawei.
Yeah, very cheaper because we have our own mass production line for the flexible screen. Because the flexible screen is produced by our own mass production line, and we have a different technologies for the flexible screen so that we can make the cost lower, much lower, even than Samsung and LG, than Huawei.
Where's your factory?
Oh, where is in China? It's in China.
In Shenzhen?
Yeah, Shenzhen. Yes.
Shenzhen makes the display.
Yes.
And everything else.
We have, yes, and of course some part we have our supply chain to work with us.
So here in this, can you open it up? So where's the PCB and where's the battery?
So there's a special designs on all the products, the battery energy, including the batteries, cameras, everything.
So the battery is somewhere.
Yeah.
Maybe you don't say everything how it works, right? And can you show some of the other displays you have? You have some other.
Oh yeah. So because we have mass produced flexible display and flexible screen. Yeah. So actually we have other applications. One is this wearables like the hat. So
is it the same display?
Yeah, similar. Yeah. And we can use the Wi-Fi to stream any contents from the smartphone or preload any contents inside to play any content. It's good for events, for the parties, for anywhere you want to show your personalities, right? Yes, actually, we went to the World Cup final in Moscow last year. The first demonstration.
That's cool. I just think he was offside and there was no fault. But that's not a big color.
Yeah.
And then
And there's another applications of the flexible screen. It's waiting. So this is the flexible screens for the applications of the fashion, like this handbag. You see, because it's flexible and very light, so they
part
can
of the handbag.
Yes, it's part of the handbag. You do not need to change the handbag if you want different patterns. It's just to change the contents you want. The preload.
Any of this for sale?
Oh, this is one we are working with our business partner and try to open a new business with the fashion companies.
So how big is the Royal company?
Oh, currently we have more than 2,000 employees globally. We have offices in China and also the Europe and also the America.
And all this is just about flexible display?
Flexible display, flexible sensors, and the products.
So you're going to do printed electronics also?
That's flexible.
You getting there?
Yeah.
All right.
السلام عليكم. لا تنسوا الاعجاب بالفيديو والاشتراك في القناة تشجيعا لنا لنستمر بنشر المزيد إن شاء الله.